guys, today I'm going to show you a product that we recently bought, which is a folding mattress. So inside this box there's a folding mattress where you can just place it onto a bed or onto the floor if you want to. So let's start unboxing it. As you can see, this is the mattress, and the whole thing is actually a mattress. So I'm just going to quickly flip this upside down. So this is the folding mattress which was inside the box, and it has 3 layers, the top, middle and bottom, and you can use those 3 layers to make a bed, or you can just sit on it. So I'm going to show you how to take out the 3 layers. As you can see, it has the strap on. You have to remove the strap, and then you have 1 layer right here, and then you want to remove this part and slide it down. You got the other layer and the final layer, and you can remove this part off, so then you can feel more comfortable. This is the 3 layers which you can use as a bed, or you can just turn it back into a cube, so then you can just sit on it. Pretend to sleep in front of the camera. And it's pretty comfortable, so it's kind of springy, it's not that bad. As you can, however, you're missing a piece which you can sit on this in a different way, which people don't really realize. You can sit on it as if you are on a beach, which this part will support your back right here like this. And you can just watch TV, some Netflix, some anime, anything you want to watch. And last of all, if you want to put it all the way back, you want to put it like this, put the cover back on. You want to get the edges here. Nice and like this. And that's the end of the video. I hope you enjoy, like and subscribe, and we'll see you next time. End the video then.